Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add variants in Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have here some products. So this product right here has an actual variant. So as you can see right here, this product has variants, like for example, a small variant as well as a medium variant right here that you can choose from and buy or add to cart. So if you want to add this to your products, then what you can do is you can head over in here to your Shopify dashboard, click on your products right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see all of the products that you have. So for example, you can also see that they have one variant, this one has 3, this one has 3 as well. So for example, let's change the variant for this hat. Let's add some more variants for this. So click on this particular product, and then this will open the product page for that specific product right here. So this is what it looks like. So what you can do is you can just scroll down, and in here you can see the variant. So you can edit out this first variant. We have in here the gray variant. Let's also add in here a black as well as white variant. So you can add how many variants you want. It totally depends on you. And you can also add some more variants. Like for example, you can just head over and make sure that you save these changes first. And then what you can do next is you can head over and add a new variant for this. So for example, for this one, let's click on this add variant. And then as you can see, this will load like this. And then this will open and you should be able to add your variant. So in here, you can see the inventory, shipping, and all of these things. We have in here this variant. So if you want to add an image or choose existing image on this variant, you can do so. Or you can also add in here a new thing. So for example, let's put in here size, and then let's save this right here. And then once you have done that, this will save just like this one. And then this will direct you back in here. So let's head over and turn it back. And then this will head back to the product page. Now let's try to scroll down, and here you can have this variant in here for the title as well. And you have this one right here wherein you can add in here a size that you want. So if you want to delete it, just click on this right here. Click on the 3 dots, and then you can actually just head over and delete this particular variant if you want as well. Now just save this product and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.